ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. I am Yogananda, teaching class 10 mathematics. We are doing pair of linear equations in 2 variables. We are doing some examples which were asked in the previous examination papers. I have collected some problems and I am doing that problems now for your sake. There are some 2 mark questions, there are some 4 mark questions, and some of the questions are 1 mark also, just like multiple choice questions. Very simple questions, easy questions, examination oriented questions. So all of you pay attention to learn these problems. Before that, let me tell you about our college. I am teaching these video recordings for class 10 students for Venkana classes. I do request and appeal to you and your parents that you can visit our colleges located near Chintal and Tarnaka, and do visit our branches and get benefited out of the colleges for your future academic programs. So let us come back to mathematics. I am reading out the problem which appeared in the examination for 2 marks. The question is, for what values of t the following pair of linear equations has no solution? You are given a pair of equations, the pair has no solution, that is what he mentioned. If there is no solution, what could be the value of t? That is the question. Let me write the question on the board. For what value of t the pair of linear equations the 2x minus ty is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 has no solution. This is the question. So, some exam questions. This is a 2 mark question which appeared in the examination. Look at the question. You are given pair of equations. A pair of linear equations is given. Also given that it has no solution. When there is no solution, what could be the value of t? There is one unknown quantity t. What could be the value of t? That is the question. So, when do you say that 2 lines have no solution? You learnt about 3 cases of pair of lines. One is intersecting lines. One case is intersecting lines. When you take the 2 lines to be intersecting, then what is the solution? There is only one solution, which is called unique solution. In this case, what is the condition? When this line L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and the second line is L2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, it has unique solution when they are intersecting lines. When they are intersecting lines, what is the condition to be followed? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. But if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, we say that the two lines are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. What is the other condition? The two lines are coincident. In this case, what could be the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and is also equal to C1 by C2. But here it is not equal to C1 by C2. But here all the three ratios are equal. If three ratios equal, coincident. If first two are equal, parallel. If first two are unequal, intersecting lines. Now come back to the problem. What is the condition here we have to apply? It has no solution. That means the two lines are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, what happens? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition for parallel lines. If you want, you can write that in bracket. Condition for parallel lines, or when it has no solution, no solution case. When there is no solution case, unique solution case, no solution case, infinitely many solutions case. There are three cases. What is A1? 2 by 3 is equal to minus t by 2. You are asked to find the value of t. Look at the value here. Take this to right side. 4 by 3 is equal to minus t. Therefore, t is equal to minus 4 by 3. This is the answer. So, this is a 2-mark question which can be answered in 1 minute. If at all you have the intelligence to work out, very easy to work out. You have to recollect all these three cases in your brain, memorize, recollect the formula, you write the formula and apply the formula here, get the answer. Is it done? Clear? Next, let us proceed to one more 2-mark question. Check whether the following pair of linear equations are parallel. Justify is the question. I am writing that question also here only. Check whether the following pair of lines are parallel. Question 2, 2-mark question. What are the lines given? 6x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Check whether they are parallel or not. Justify the answer, that is what is given. First, let us find out. It is a 2-mark question, it can be answered in 1 minute, only 2 or 3 lines answer. What is A1 by A2? 6 by 3. What is the value? 2. What is B1 by B2? Minus 4 by minus 2. It is again 2. What is C1 by C2? 10 by 6. What is the answer? 5 by 3. These two are equal, am I right? And this is not equal. Not equal, am I right? If these two are equal, then what do you say? They are parallel. If these three are equal, we say that they are coincident. But here, he has asked us, check whether the following pair of lines are parallel. Justify the answer. What do you justify? They are parallel lines. We have established the fact that since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, they are parallel. It is justified. What do you mean by justification? You have established the fact that they are parallel lines. So, any doubt about this problem? It is a 2-mark question done in only 40 to 50 seconds time. Earlier problem and this problem has the same formula used. You can see here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Now look at the next problem. In this problem the same condition is used and we have established the fact. Now let us take one more problem.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
If x is equal to a and y equal to b is solution for the pair of equations x minus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 4, find the values of a and b. Another 2 mark question, looks a little difficult, but the question is easy. If x is equal to a, y is equal to b, is solution for x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. Find a and b is the question. Very easy question. He has confused you by giving a and b. If a and b are not given, finding a and b is very easy. Let me tell you easiest method. Just take the two equations. What are the equations? X minus y is equal to 2. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Look at a1 by a2, 1 by 1, b1 by b2 minus 1 by 1. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, they are intersecting lines. When they are intersecting lines, what happens? They are intersecting means consistent lines, only one unique solution is possible. How to get the possible solution? Just subtract it or add it. Addition 2x, y gets cancelled 6 by 2, x equal to 6 by 2 means x equal to 3. Substitute x here, 3 minus y is equal to 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to y, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. But what is given? X is equal to given as a, x is equal to given as a, here x is equal to 1 implies what is the value of a? 1. Y is equal to b given, here we got y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, therefore, a is equal to 3, y is equal to b, here y is equal to 1, therefore, implies b is equal to 1. This is the way of doing the problem. If you can answer it by solving and comparing a and b, you get the answer. Otherwise, I will tell you second method also. Because he has given you in a different way, I am telling you in a second method. What is given? X equal to a is a solution. Then what happens? Substitute x equal to a here, a minus y is equal to b, a minus b equal to 2, a plus b is equal to 4. Because x is equal to a and y is equal to b is a solution, then what happens? When you substitute the values, it is satisfied. Directly add it, 2a is equal to 6 implies a is equal to 3. Subtract this, a minus a is 0, minus b is minus 2b, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, implies b is equal to minus 2 by minus 2, 1. Look at this. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, a equal to 3, b equal to 1. This is easy method, but this is regular method. Doing this is very easy. Though it is regular method, it is taking time. You are used to applying this method comfortably when compared to that. So, any method you feel comfortable, you can go ahead. Any doubt? So, you must have understood this problem also. It is also a 2 mark question which was asked in the examination for several times. Next, we are going to take one more problem. All these questions are 2 mark questions, very important questions, and I am writing one more question which was asked in the examination. Write the condition for the pair of lines in 2 variables so that they are parallel lines. Write condition for pair of lines to be parallel in two variables. He has not mentioned any lines. He has just asked to write the condition. You are familiar with that. We have been writing it several times. The same thing I am writing. Let the two lines be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. What is the condition here? A square plus b square is non-zero. a2 square plus b2 square is non-zero, and a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 belongs to R. Because we have written it in the form of a generalized form, it is must to write the condition. What is the condition for parallel lines? You are already familiar with that. Condition of parallel lines. Tell me. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Takes only 15 to 20 seconds time, not more than that. Look at the questions, 2 mark questions, not even 20 seconds time. That means 1 minute you can answer this type of questions 3. That means 3 into 2, 6 marks. In 1 minute, 6 marks. If at all you are sharp enough to write the answers in the examination, in 1 minute you get 6 marks. Pair of lines equations are very important, easy, if at all you recollect the formulae. So, let me take one more problem. You enjoy doing the problems only when you learn the theory and by heart and memorize all the formulae. Maths is enjoyable. Doing maths problems is always easy. You enjoy doing maths problems and you will be benefited by getting the marks too. Look at the next question. For all real values of C, it is also a 2 mark question. For all real values of C, the pair of equations I am writing the equations here. X minus 2y is equal to 8. 5x minus 10y is equal to C. Have a unique solution. Justify whether it is true or false. Justify it is true or false. You are given 2 lines and you have to justify that whether the 2 lines are consistent or not, whether the 2 lines have unique solution or not. Very tricky question. What is the first line? X minus 2y is equal to 8, call it as 1. 5x minus 10y equal to C, call it as 2. Though tricky, understanding the question in 10-15 seconds, answering the question will take 10 seconds time, not even 10 to 20 seconds time. If you recollect the answer, answering the 2 mark question takes only 10 seconds time. He has asked you justify, is it true or false? What is A1 by A2? This is Moola Mantram, A1 by A2, 1 by 5. What is B1 by B2? Minus 2 by minus 10. Is it 1 by 5? Yes. Are they equal? Look at the answer. Answer is clear. You have got the answer. It took 5 seconds time, not even 5 seconds. Am I right? Just look at the equations. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 10, they are equal. They are parallel lines. Parallel lines do not have unique solution. Parallel lines do not have solution at all. Therefore, answer is justified to be what? Answer is justified to be false. That means what? Has unique solution is wrong. Unique solution is false. Unique solution is false. So, what is the true answer? No solution is the true answer. No solution is true answer. See how a tricky question can be asked in pair of equations. Instead of asking, do the equations have a unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions? Or the same question can be very easily asked. Look at the two equations. The following equations are parallel lines or intersecting lines or coincident lines. He has not asked that way. He asked us, justify your answer to be false or true. Confused you. Tricky way of asking the question. Got the point? In any case, you must be able to answer this kind of questions if you are thorough with the subject. Am I right? Next, find the value of k for which the system of equations has no solution. I do not want to write the whole question, I am just writing the equations here. X plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, 5x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0, given that it has no solution, find k is the question. Is it the same kind of question or not? Look at this. Look at this question and this question. What did he mention here? The two lines have no solution. Means what? They are parallel lines. If they are parallel, what happens? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Parallel lines condition. Or you can say no solution case, this is the condition. Anyway, you can answer the same, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. If they are unequal, unique solution. If they are equal, no solution. If the three are equal, infinitely many solutions. So, what is A1? 1 by 5, 2 by k. Over. Takes 10 seconds time, not even 10 seconds. K will come here. 5 will go there, 10 is the answer. You may have a doubt, sir, by writing this way, will I get 2 marks? Yes, definitely 2 marks, not even this. If you just put the question on, this is question number 6, say for example, 6th question, k equal to 10 if you write, then also you will be given 2 marks, no doubt about that. It is a one word answer. Sometimes one word answer, sometimes one sentence answer, sometimes 2 or 3 lines answer. In the examination, the examiner is not very particular about the working of the problem for 2 mark questions and 1 mark questions. However, you answer it, you are given full marks. But an intelligent student will never write k equal to 10, or there are students, they write 6th question, 10 is the answer, leave it. Then also they can claim, they can expect that 2 marks will be given, but this is not justified. It appears to the valuer that as if you have copied the problem. It appears that you have copied it from somebody. But a wise student will do this way, prove that, he will prove that how k equal to 10 is obtained. This is the difference between a wise student and unwise student. I am not discouraging unwise students. There are students of different categories. I know how students write in examination, how students write the answers in the examination in some rural areas. 6th question 10, 7th question 1, 8th question 0, like that they answer. They are given marks, but an intelligent student is not supposed to answer this way. I am just telling you, because of this question, I am telling you, I am cautioning you that you are not to be expected that you are unwise student, but you are an intelligent student. An intelligent student will think about himself and write the answer on his own. There are unwise students who go by different practices and try to get the answers somehow and write the answer and claim the answer. But this is not justified, and my suggestion to the students is not to go by this kind of answering the questions. So, let us take in a short while, I will come back again and we will take 2 or 3 examination questions. So, they are 4 marks or long answer questions. I hope you enjoyed learning 2 mark questions in the examinations, how they appear in the exam.